6S is a lean manufacturing tool that aims to improve workplace organization and efficiency by eliminating waste, improving quality, and reducing costs. The 6S methodology involves 6 stages or steps that are used to create and maintain an organized and clean workplace. The 6 stages or steps of 6S are: 1. Sort. This step involves removing all unnecessary items from the workplace. The goal is to identify and eliminate items that are not needed, such as tools, equipment, and materials that are no longer used or needed. This step helps to create more space and reduce clutter. 2. Set in order. Once unnecessary items have been removed, the next step is to organize and arrange the remaining items in a logical and efficient manner. This step involves identifying the most frequently used items and placing them in a location that is easily accessible, creating a designated location for each item and labeling each location. 3. Shine. This step involves cleaning and maintaining the workplace to ensure that it is safe, clean, and functional. This includes cleaning equipment, floors, walls, and other surfaces to prevent the accumulation of dirt, dust, and debris. 4. Standardize. This step involves establishing standard operating procedures, SOPs, for workplace organization and cleanliness. This helps to ensure that the workplace is organized and maintained consistently over time. 5. Sustain. This step involves creating a culture of continuous improvement by promoting workplace organization and cleanliness. This includes training employees, monitoring progress, and providing feedback to maintain the gains made in previous steps. 6. Safety. This step involves ensuring that the workplace is safe for employees to work in. This includes identifying and eliminating hazards, providing training on safety procedures, and promoting a safety culture. Overall, the 6S methodology can help organizations to improve workplace organization, reduce waste, increase efficiency, and improve quality. By creating a workplace that is safe, clean, and well organized, organizations can create a more productive and efficient work environment that can lead to improved overall performance.